This is the post-cranial skeleton of a rabbit. So we have the mandible, the skull, the hyoid, the cervical vertebrae. Down here we have the clavicle, the sternum, the scapula. We have some ribs. We have the thoracic vertebrae over here. We have the humerus. We have the carpals. We have the radius right here. We have the ulna here. We have the metacarpals, and then we have the pes phalanges. Then we have the lumbar vertebrae here. We have the patella right here. We have the tibia here. We have the fibula here. We have the tarsals. We have the metatarsals. We have the the manus phalanges here, the manus phalanges. Then coming towards the back here, we have the femur. We have the ilium here, the ischium down here. Where this tail is, this is the caudal vertebrae. I believe this is the sacrum, this little bone right there. And underneath we have the pubis right here. That's the pubis. So that is the postcranial anatomy of a rabbit. So here we have a pigeon postcranial anatomy. So here we have the cervical vertebrae. We have the furcula. Inside here, this is our coracoid bone. This is our clavicle. This is our sternum. This is our keel. Going in here. This is our humerus. So next, this is our humerus. Then inside, this is our radius right here. This is our ulna. This is our carpal, metacarpals. These are our phalanges. These are the pes ones. Then we have this synacrum, which is from here all the way to the pygostyle. This is the pygostyle. We have our ribs clearly there. Then we have our tibiotarsus here. We have our tarso-metatarsus here. We have our manus phalanges. And then back here we have our hallux. And this is the end. This is the postcranial anatomy of a cat. So this is the skull, this is the mandible, this is the cervical vertebrae, this is the thoracic vertebrae, this is the lumbar vertebrae, this is the caudal vertebrae, this is the sacrum over here. We have the ilium here, the ischium here, we have the pubic bone. Here we have the femur. Here we have the patella. Here we have this right here is the tibia. We have the fibula here. We have the tarsals here. We have the metatarsals here. We have the pes phalanges here. We have our ribs here. We have our xiphisternum here. We have our sternobrae here. We have our clavicle right here. We have our manubrum right here. We have our humerus. We have our carpals. We have our carpals. Carpals here, metacarpals here, the phalanges manus here. We have our radius here, and we have our ulna here. And I believe that, and the hyoid would be somewhere over here, but it's not there.